Wade and Choco here. I know we haven't done a video for a bit. Hey, Choco? We are at the nature reserve, and look over there. Looky. Take a look-see. That's a deer. Actually, there's a couple of deers there. Yeah, check that out. Yeah, it's a white-tail. Now, if Choco knew that deer was there, he'd be barking like crazy. Hey, Choco? Yeah, just grazing. Beautiful day we're having today. Beautiful day. We hit in the 70s, low 70s. Pretty nice out. Whoa, I think that deer has spotted me. Checking me out. Yep, you can see the other one right behind them. Oh, there's two deers there. Whoa, Choco missed it. Choco missed it. Let's say hello to everybody, Choco. Let's say hello. There he is. You know why he's up here? He likes to be up high, so you can get a look-see into there. Has he seen the coyotes in there? He's seen the deer in there. He's a pretty smart cookie. He's a pretty smart chocolate cookie. Yeah. I think he's feeling a bit warm today. It's our first day in a while, eh, Choco? First day in a while. Okay. We say hello to everybody. And we'll see everybody later, okay? Okay. I say bye-bye.